Hello everyone and welcome to Veganize Anything. Today we're gonna be making Gong Bao chicken, in its vegan version of course. Let's go and prepare our greens. Actually, even before we do that, let me suggest you go and cook about a cup of rice, as you wouldn't want to eat your Gong Bao on its own. Well, it's actually so delicious that I guess you wouldn't mind eating it even on its own, but you know what I mean. Every dish should come with a side. Back to the veggies though. Dice half a red and green bell pepper, just to make it more colorful, and then slice about 3 spring onions. We'll also need to finely chop 1 fresh chili, slice 2 cloves of garlic, mince about 5 cm root of ginger, and grind about 1.5 teaspoons of Sichuan peppercorns. If you don't have mortar, just slice it with a knife, or you can bash it inside of a plastic bag until they're nicely crushed. Don't forget, this is the most important ingredient. It adds this very specific, beautiful, tingling, citrusy flavor, which is the essence of this dish. Okay, let's do it. Firstly, substitute the chicken with your favorite meat-free version. Shops are full of plant-based meat alternatives these days, but if you don't want to use any of those, you can use anything from jackfruit to seitan to even tempeh or tofu, or whatever floats your plant-based chicken boat. When you've decided on that, we will need to prepare it before frying it. Grab a bowl, put your meatless chicken in it, add half a cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine or any rice cooking wine, and about 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Mix it all well together and let it sit on the side for about half an hour. So, heat up your pan or wok, set it to medium heat, add a decent amount of oil, just enough to fry our friendly meatless chick. Stick it in there and leave it until it's nicely golden brown on both sides. Remove the oil and leave just about 3 tablespoons. We will start with dried chilies, so add them in, followed by ginger, garlic, bell peppers, and ground Szechuan pepper. Stir fry them for 1 to 2 minutes or until you start to see them getting charred. Now add in the rest of soy sauce, which should be about 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of sugar, one tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Hoisin sauce, and the finely chopped fresh chili. Stir well and head over to your crispy looking chicks in waiting. Add them in and dress them up properly in all that saucy goodness. And just add a splash of water at this point. Add your thinly sliced spring onions. Stir and cook for just about a minute. Grab the cornstarch you're waiting for you on the side, mix it with 100 milliliters of water and pour it in. Stir and cook for about 2 minutes, or until you see the sauce thickening up. Add the peanuts and you can turn off the stove, as we don't want them to become too soft, we still want them nice and crunchy. Time to plate it all up. So take out your favorite bowl or a plate. Our Kung Pao chicken has just been successfully veganized. Right now, I'm actually not sure what's better, whether the beautiful citrusy Szechuan smell or the juicy succulent taste. Well, let's just say that they complement each other and go perfectly hand in hand. Add the rice I suggested you to cook earlier, toss some sesame seeds on it, spring onions, and that's it. Go and enjoy! Alright guys, let us know what your favorite vegan chicken product is these days in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and don't forget, you can veganize anything.